Okay, guys. Here, this particular problem, we have what is known as two trapezoids. Okay, and based on this congruence statement, it tells us that A, B, C, D is congruent to E, F, G, H. So we already know that certain components, such as sides and angles of both of these particular trapezoids, are equal to one another, just based solely off, and I'm going to underline it, just based solely off of this statement. And just in case you're wondering, this is number 9 on the test that KJ sent over. So let me put that, number 9. Okay, so you guys can follow along. So here, just solely off of this congruent statement, we know that certain corresponding sides and angles are going to be equal to one another. Now let's look at what it's actually asking of us. It's asking find the slope of angle BCD, which would be this BC. This is our angle D. So we want to find the angle here. So I'm going to put a big question mark here. This is what we're trying to find. Okay? If we know anything about trapezoids, we know that off top, as you see, which is given in the first question, that two sides are congruent. Okay? And so if the two sides are congruent, then the angles or the cross points or midpoints that they intersect with will also have the same angles. Okay? But that's moving ahead. Even if we look over here, the information that is provided in EFGH is that angle G here is 119 degrees. And if these two are truly, in fact, congruent, then BCD will be equal to, well, angle BCD, which is talking about angle C here, will be equal to FGH, this angle here. So if we're looking for this angle, and they provided information on this angle in the congruent trapezoid, then we automatically know this. If this is 119, then we know that this is 119 as well. So let's go ahead and write that in. So slope of angle BCD will be equal to 119 degrees. And we know that based on the information that they've provided.